Hi, I'm Kathy Erke, a research study coordinator at Mayo Clinic. A peak flow meter is easy to use. Even children as young as 4 should be able to perform a peak flow with good results. Let's take a look at how it's done. Start by standing up straight. Then hold the meter so that the indicator will be at the bottom when it's placed in your mouth. Take a really big deep breath, fill your lungs completely. Then place the mouthpiece in your mouth, lightly bite down with your teeth, and close your lips around it. Then blast out the air as hard and as fast as you can, all in a single blow, and then record the number that appears on the meter. Repeat these steps 3 times and make note of the highest of the 3 readings. This represents the peak flow. Write down the result and report to your study coordinator as directed.